Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to uninstall a program in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 in your PC or in your laptop and you want to uninstall any program or any app, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings. So there are two different ways. The very first way, just go to your settings here, and in settings you just have to go to apps and just select installed apps. Here you will get all the installed apps on your PC. You just have to select which one you want to uninstall or want to delete. So for example, I'm going to select WhatsApp from here. Just click on these three dots and then click on uninstall, then click on uninstall option again. So it will completely uninstall WhatsApp from your PC or from your Windows. So the second way is you just have to click on this search option and search for control panel. Once you search for control panel, open this, and here you must see the option of programs. Under programs is the uninstall a program. Just click on this, and here you'll see some basic programs. So some programs you're unable to uninstall from your settings, so you just have to uninstall them from here. So just right click on that program and then click on uninstall option. So once you have clicked on uninstall, you must see the option of uninstall or change in application. Just click on yes, and it will completely uninstall that app from your PC or from your laptop. So in this way, you can easily uninstall any program from your PC or from your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.